Here's my observatory, and here's the fish pond. They've got a fountain squirting water up. And then over there's the pool and the water slide and a pool home and a cook place with a roof over the cooking grill, and then this other thing here is a hot tub. So they've got a lot of stuff. And here's two sheds, little barns next to my observatory. They sort of made me want to, they said I could have this observatory if it was fashionable. It had to be painted green and white and sort of dolled up. I would have had it a little bit differently. God bless. That's just the way things go, I guess. I'll talk to you later. Bye.